She don't talk big, she just shows it. Little things, yeah, she knows it. When my day feels heavy on my chest, she the reason I can breathe and rest. She laughs when I'm losing my way, pulls me close, tells me I'm okay. Ain't no games, ain't no pretend, just real love again and again. And when the world gets loud, she my quiet place somehow. She loves me like that, no question why. Stays by my side, ride or die. When I fall, she lifts me back. Yeah, she loves me, loves me, loves me like that. She sees the man I'm trying to be, yeah. Not just the flaws on the side of me, yeah. Every scar got a story told. Oh, she holds them like they're made of gold. And I doubt every step I take, yeah. She reminds me what we made. That life feels strong, honest and true. Everything feels right with you. And my faith runs low. She the fire that helps it grow. She loves me like that, no question